As a WorldMark owner, your maintenance dues cover a lot, from day-to-day operations to large-scale renovations. The WorldMark Board of Directors meets once per quarter to review year-to-date expenses and forecast operating costs. Keeping your resorts running includes costs like utilities, housekeeping supplies, landscaping, and property taxes. Maintenance dues also pay for regular updates and renovation of your resorts and suites. In-suite items like carpet, fabrics, and paint are refreshed every 5 to 7 years, while furniture and flooring are updated every 10 to 14 years. Dues fluctuate as the cost to operate resorts fluctuates. Expenses for essentials like electricity, water, and insurance change over time, impacting maintenance dues. Your dues also remain hard at work to care for your resorts in states of emergency like natural disasters and global pandemics. Keep in mind, these dues go straight to your club. Your maintenance dollars are a necessary part of keeping your properties in tip-top shape for you and your loved ones to enjoy. To find out more, go to worldmarktheclub.com.